Today I went to the 6th Annual Warbird Museum Car Show in Titusville, Florida. This is our first time taking the BMW M5 to a car show. We got there right as they were letting people in, and this is what it looked like without any cars in there. But I had to rush over to the entrance and get some cars coming in.
Dude, that Mustang looks real nice. Oh, here's another gift. Mustang sounding good. Huh. Mustang.
Can you guess how much this car cost right here? Well, I'll give you a few seconds before I tell you. That car cost $2.7 million, and it's American hypercar.
What is that? Montana? Seizing or SVJ? That used to be my dream car. It's old. It's a newer one. The Cadillac. Holy, great. Like what, an MK4? No way in this camera. Where's that one card? Oh, it's in there. There's a car in front of me. Look at that gimbal set that dude has. He's sick. Look at that. That's auto. Oh, sick. Definitely a gas can.
You could tell that there weren't many cars here because this is what the other side of the car show looked like. And this is what it looked like last time. It was packed. Both areas were packed. But only this time, it was the one side, which is a bit disappointing, but it was still great cars here. audio might sound a bit weird here in a little second. It's just because I accidentally left wind reduction on auto, so I'm sorry about that.
That was insane. Driving off. Parking in there. Waterproof
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more car related content, then subscribe.